Here we're going to give you a little bit of operating info on the Willis 1340 lathe. This is the 1340 TR series, which is the latest and greatest from Willis. Here's the apron controls here. This is your threading lever. This is the feed and gauge pull-out knob, and this decides whether you're going to be feeding in cross-feed or longitudinal. We'll push it in for longitudinal. This is your apron handle, which starts the spindle in forward or reverse. Machine has a foot switch. Alright, now your headstock controls. These are for your spindle speed right here. This is low speed and high speed. If you switched over to here, now we're on 260 because we're in low. If you switch this over here, then you go up to 1320. This is one of the feed levers and threading levers here, ABC. This is whether you're in right-hand thread or left-hand thread. Coolant on-off. Just to let you know you got power here at the switches, emergency stop, jog button, and further levers and dials for getting your right feeds and speeds. These machines are now standard with the universal gearbox. And this is your feed chart right here. And we're going to run about 10 thousandths inch per rev now, which is actually 0.0098. And you got to have the position in Y. And then AFS8. So we got A, we got F, we got S, we got Y, and the joystick is down in position 8. Now we'll turn on the spindle. Again, we're going to 10 thousandths inch per rev. Engage. Disengage. Now you want to switch out to cross. Engage. Disengage. Now we're going to switch to threading. This is the thread chart here for inch. Let's set it up for 10 threads per inch. That's BE 3T and W. Now we got all our levers shifted. B, E, T, W, and the joystick is at 3. Got the spindle going forward. Thread engage. Now you're threading at 10 revolutions per minute.